So, can you throw some light on the inspiration behind Swastha?
Of course, as I started my introduction by saying that Swastha is a kind of a tribute to my parents, I'll give a backstory behind it. In 2020, unfortunately, my father suffered stroke, and we were during the bad days of COVID. All of us were actually struggling. I didn't know anything about caregiving or attendance till then because I never faced any kind of such an issue. So, when my father got a stroke, we had to arrange for an attendant overnight. Like a typical agency, we also basically reached out to them. When we got these caregivers, we understood that these folks are not really trained. If they are trained, then they don't have that compassion. Most importantly, they do not basically work to make the patient or the elders healthier, but it's just to make their life easier or stable. And my mother, who basically was a housewife till then, became the primary caregiver of my father, and she started providing the support to these attendants, teaching them what to do. And a lot of her own work, which was to do with banking or taking her out for finishing some errands, were put on hold because I was not there. My brother was not able to support because of our busy lives. Hence, we thought of this that we should start something where we are able to give this support to the elders. And when I reached out to a lot of my friends, we did a survey to about 250, 300 odd people, and we understood that this problem is not unique. It's like everybody is facing it, and we need to come up with a more flexible and more structured way of how we take care of our elders. So that is why the biggest thing that we have come up with in the Swastha framework is that we do not have any fixed timelines for which we will provide you support. So if you want to call us for only 2 hours, we will give you support for 2 hours. If you want for 24 hours, we will give you for 24 hours. You need it for a day, we give you for a day. So that's how it is. So inspiration behind Swastha is basically my parents, as I said, but it's also to do with a lot of us, people like us, who want to give the best to our parents because they have done the best for us. So that's where Swastha pitches in. And in February 2025 is when we launched it. Right now we are serving in Jaipur and Gurgaon, expanding to Delhi, and hopefully one day to Pan India.
Wonderful, wonderful, beautiful thought process. I must say, yes, we are so much occupied and cannot see our parents. That's the sad part of it.